Today we will be covering MFD Crossbow Tracker integration with ELRS. Basically, how the hardware should be set to pass the telemetry from the ELRS to the antenna tracker. The detailed documentation can be obtained from the ELRS webpage, and here you will see the information needed such as the hardware, how to set it up, wiring diagrams, and much more. On my setup, I used a Beta FPV Nano B2 module, a Happy Model EP1 receiver, an MFD Crossbow Mini antenna tracker, and the FTDI programmer that came with the tracker kit. You will need to use the ELRS Lua script to access this data. Here I got a 1.4.1 backpack and the 3.4.3 version for the TX module. Next, we will flash the TX module with the latest 3.5 RC1 firmware from the ELRS configurator. Connect the module to your computer and run the ELRS configurator. You may notice that the 3.5 RC1 is not listed. This is because the version is still a release candidate. Tick the checkbox to show the pre-release version. Now we can see the 3.5 RC1 in the releases list. You need to set the device category and select the specific device that you are flashing. Select the serial port and proceed with flashing. Once done, go back and select Backpack on the side options. Choose the version 1.50 from the firmware and set the same device category as well as specific device for flashing. Make sure that the binding freeze is the same, then choose Wi-Fi for the flashing method. Plug the module to your radio, then access the settings on the Lua script. Now we got 3.5 RC1 on the module. Scroll up to the backpack settings, then make sure that the backpack is enabled. And the telemetry option set to ESP now. Now scroll up and enable the backpack Wi-Fi. Connect your computer to the backpack access point and proceed with flashing the backpack via Web UI. After which, you can check if the backpack is now running the 1.5.0 firmware. You will need to do a power cycle on the module to refresh the versions. Next, we will need to flash the ELRS receiver with the backpack firmware. Connect the ELRS receiver to the USB programmer. You can flash it via several options like flashing via UART or through Wi-Fi via Web UI. Here I just force the receiver to enter Wi-Fi mode. On the Express LRS configurator, select Backpack on the side options, then choose the 1.5.0 firmware. Select the MFD Crossbow Antenna Tracker Backpack for the device category. Select the specific device depending on the kind of receiver you used for the ELRS. Since I'm using Happy Model EP1, I need to select generic ESP8285 or 8266 receiver. Again, depending on your preference, you can opt for UART or Wi-Fi for flashing. Make sure that the binding phrase is the same as the one used before. Proceed with the flashing and wait until it's done. Next, we connect the ELRS receiver to the tracker. You only need to connect the ground, 5V, and the TX pin. On your radio, open your Lua script and configure the ELRS. Set the packet rate to 100 Hz, telemetry ratio to 1:4, but you can do some adjustments on this later. Turn on the aircraft to have live telemetry. Now let's power up the MFD crossbow antenna tracker. You will notice the receiver quickly blinking, indicating link. On the tracker, it should say 100% on the D-Link. Otherwise, check if the baud rate is set to 115-200 and the protocol set to Mavlink. If you're still having problems, make sure to check the documentation. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching.